A quick video today. The wood for the floor has arrived. It's hickory, and it'll be stained in place. It's really nice. It seems really nice. And there's some more wood. So the flooring is going to start tomorrow. We also have some of the kitchen cabinets inside to go up. And then one more surprise. Ta-da! Bathroom cabinets have gone in the hall bath. And also here in the guest suite. So these are all a walnut finish. So they're going to come out and template the countertops on Wednesday. So gotta get all the counters in, or all the cabinets in. So I think that's all the updates for today. Oh, other than this would be a good update. 68 in the house, but outside temperature 56. Really beautiful day today. Okay, it's Sunday, February 3rd. Looking at how far the floor guys got yesterday. They did a pretty good job getting quite a bit done. And look who's been here this morning. Cabinets in the butler's pantry are in. That's awesome. I think they'll be working on the wall cabinets next. Looking good. The hole right there is for there'll be a little fridge right there.